Okay, here's a little video explaining how to do the Principles of Design challenge that I've given you. This is similar to the Elements of Art challenge I gave you last time. You're going to get some slides. Okay, that has the instructions on them, but you're going to get some slides, one slide per principle of design. And what I would like you to do is go ahead and click in here and fill in a definition in your own words, please. And then provide an example of that principle of design for each principle. So there's pattern and there's proportion and there's unity and variety. It's all there, okay? Now I provided a bunch of examples of art for you to choose from to find your perfect example for each one. Again, you're going to type your definition in here and then go ahead and copy or cut and paste the example right there as a reminder of how to cut and paste whichever example you choose. You just click it, okay, and then you can go to edit, cut, okay, and then you go to the slide that you want to paste it onto and click and then edit, paste. Okay, and then you can move it around and resize it. Always resize from the corners. Okay, now if you want to go back, you made a mistake, you can always do the back button as many times as it takes you back to where you were before. Okay, if you make a mistake, you can always do that. You can also do edit, undo. And then the keyboard shortcuts, it tells you the keyboard shortcuts here. Okay, you can see for each one. But as a reminder, it's usually like Command or Control X for cut, like you're Xing something out, you're cutting something out. Okay, okay, and then you go to your slide and then you click and then Command or Control V for pasting it again. Okay, and then remember, you just move it to where you want it to go, resize it if you need to, and then if you don't like what you've done, you've made a mistake, you can always go back and fix it. Or, if you realize later on that you put it in the wrong slide or something, you can always just cut it out again and then move it to the slide that you want it to go into, okay? But yeah, okay, so we'll put it back in here. There you go. Okay, now one more thing for you to notice as you're going along here is at the bottom of each slide, you have to explain how the artist created that principle of design. So on this slide, we're working with pattern. You put your definition, you put your example of pattern there, and then how did the artist create pattern in that example? So please use your words. Please, tell me about the elements of art that they use, like line, shape, color. Was it value? Was it form? Was it organic shape? What did they do to it to make a pattern? Please, please, please do not tell me they created pattern by making a pattern. Okay, that doesn't tell me how they made it. Okay, please do not say they created proportion by using proportion. That doesn't tell me anything. So just do a good job explaining yourself. That's it, and good luck.